Diane in Denmark here, and woohoo! It is Thursday, or Little Fridays we call it here in Denmark. This is another 5-minute video. I'm going to be your timer, and the idea is that we work along together. You can maybe fold some laundry. I'm going to take my nail varnish off and put some new nail varnish on. You can do whatever you like, and I'm just going to have a wee chat while we do it. First of all, if you saw my video yesterday where I made an apple cake, I have a confession to make. That the cake didn't make it through the night. I was making a cake for our clothes swap party tonight, and hold on, I couldn't resist, and I started eating it yesterday. But as they say in Denmark, there's always opportunity in accidents or bad luck. You know, like every cloud has a silver lining. Because it gave me a chance to make a new cake. I've just taken this one out of the oven, and I promise I'm not going to put my paws into it. And I had a lot of fantastic suggestions on the video yesterday saying try adding some cinnamon and apple. And also I did it with less, and today I did it with less sugar, and I added cinnamon. So you can see if you do it with less sugar, just so you can see here. If you bake it with less sugar, it puffs up a lot more. It kind of comes double in height. But anyway, there we are. That's it cooling, and that will be going to the clothes swap party with me tonight. As I said, I promise I won't touch it today. Anyway, I'm going to get on. I'm just going to change my nail varnish, and you are welcome to do whatever you like. As I said, it's Thursday, and Thursday in Flylady land, as you've probably heard me saying before, is hold on, let me just get the right one. It is errand day, and remember, you don't need to do errand day on a Thursday. You do it on the day that suits you. And I did my errands on Tuesday. It suited me better this week to do it on Tuesday, and because I had done my plan and play on Tuesday, which was planning, you know, the meals for the week. You saw me writing it down in my diary. Because I had that done, I could do my errands on Tuesday because I had my grocery list done, and I had something to drop off at the library. So that I did mine on Tuesday. So the idea here is that you take the Flylady's suggestions and you fix it to suit your family. And you know, often I've said, if you've got if you need to go to the hairdresser or the doctor, try and schedule it so that it fits in with your errand day. So if you're going to the doctor, afterwards you can stop off and get petrol for the car, and you can fill up, you know, stock up with groceries, hand in something to the post office, pick up dry cleaning. And if you have to go back, you know, if the doctor has a strict schedule and he only works like Mondays or Wednesdays, then again, you know, shift your errand day to that day so you can get it all done at the same time. Now, the other thing you might want to think about today, because we're in the month of September, and I've been talking a lot about apples and stuff, is that we are working this month in Flylady land on the before bed routine. And I like to call it evening routine because I don't wait until it's kind of, oh, you know, going to bed time to look out my outfit for the next day, get things ready at the launch pad, because I am just too tired at the end of the day. So what I normally do is, and I've got videos about this, I'll put links up there so you can see my morning routine and my evening routine. They change slightly depending on the time of year and what my current mood is. But I start my evening routine as soon as we've finished eating here. I mean, you're with me here at the kitchen table. When we're finished eating at night, I've already, you know, when I make dinner, I clean up as I go. You know, I do a poopa, I pick up and I put away, so that if I'm, you know, chopping stuff and mixing and stirring, you know, as soon as I've finished with the spoon, it goes straight in the dishwasher, or if I've finished with the pot, I dry it up and back it goes in the drawer. So that when we kind of rise from dinner, when we've eaten our dinner, all we have to do is, you know, the kids and my husband, everybody takes their plate and their knife and fork and their water glass. We only drink water with meals here. That goes straight into the dishwasher. Any condiments, you know, like ketchup, beetroot, all those kind of things, those are put back in the fridge. And then basically I just give a quick wipe down of the kitchen table, and then we set the table for breakfast for the next morning, because we're kind of tired in the mornings. It's really nice to come down and just, you know, not need to worry about things. Hold on, I think I'm going to do this kind of pale turquoise today. This is one that I got at a close walk party. So we set the table for breakfast, and also I set up the coffee machine so it's ready for the next morning. It's really nice to come down in the morning and have your coffee, you know, smell the coffee in the morning. And what else? And then, you know, I've got my things at the launch pad. I don't leave my handbag and keys, things like that out. I'm kind of you know, wary of burglars and stuff, so I keep those away, but they're all together in a place. But I've got my swimming bag ready, you know, if I'm going swimming with Vibeke first thing in the morning, you know, for my skinny dip. And what else? Oh, and my outfit for the next day. If you follow me on Instagram, you know I post a picture every day of my outfit, and when I remember also put them on Pinterest. And it takes a wee bit of time, but it keeps me accountable, because I've thought about my outfit and I put my picture, and normally I choose my outfit. Hold on, let me just stop the timer. There we go, there's the 5 minutes, and I'm just coming up to the last nail. I choose my outfit when I'm putting away the day's laundry. So if you're working at home, inside the home, if you're not leaving the home to go to work, that might suit you. I do my laundry first thing in the morning, so my outfit tomorrow is already ready to go. If you are working outside of the home, when you come home in the evening, when you come in the door, you know, maybe you change into more kind of comfy clothes if you're wearing the corporate suit. You know, when you go into your bedroom to put on your comfy clothes, whatever that may be, pull out your outfit for tomorrow then, because you're already in the room, and that'll save you a wee bit of time. Anyway, so have a think about that. Anything that you can do today to kind of jazz up your evening routine. Maybe, you know, set a time, say, you know, I want to be finished my evening routine by, you know, 8:15, so that means that I've got to do these things. And the main thing is that you get it written down on a list and check it off, because if you're just trying to remember these things in the beginning, it's not going to work. I don't need to check my list now, because I've been doing my routines for so long, so consistently, that it just has become automatic. You know, it just, you know, if I haven't done it, I'm thinking, oh, something feels off. And that's what I want for you. That I want you to get to that point where it's really just, you're cruising along, because it means less work. You know, having your routines in place means less work. Anyway, I said I was going to do 5 minutes, but anyway, you've seen the new apple cake with cinnamon. I'm not going to touch it, and I'm off to close swap party tonight, so I shall just say live long and prosper. May the Danish sugar be with you. I hope you managed to get your nails done or fold laundry or whatever we're going to do, and I'll see you tomorrow. Okay, bye for now.